How to delete all promotional emails in Gmail. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail, then click on Settings at the top. After you've clicked on Settings, you'll find See All Settings. Click on See All Settings. After that, in here, click on Inbox at the top. Then click on Promotion and then scroll down to Save Changes. After you have done that, in the search bar, search in Promotion, which will open all your promotional files. Then click on the square shape at the top left. After it's selected, simply click on the trash icon at the top and everything will be deleted. This is how to delete all promotional emails in Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.